So today Kat is driving us. Saan tayo punta? IKEA and our Sunday errands. It's early-ish, 9:47. It's really nice to be a passenger. And we're on our way to IKEA. We're gonna have breakfast first, no?
Yeah, and then maghahanap ng
No.
bedsheet.
Oh, okay. We're gonna look for bed sheets na pang light because our bed sheets right now are a little bit dark and it's really hot.
Meron naman tayong light na bed sheets, pero kasi yung isa na stainan yun, and ilang buwan ko nang hinahanapan ng paraan yun, but I couldn't sorry guys, I couldn't find any remedios kung paano ko siya tanggalin.
Anong stain yun? Is it blood? Oh. Girly things.
Girly things that just make sense.
Alright, we're just gonna listen to music first. So, yeah, BRB. We made it to IKEA.
Safe and sound.
Yes. Nice one. So, Kat's driving today kasi she needs more practice with highways. Highways ba yung gusto mo? Highways and just overall confidence in driving. So this is pretty far.
Never ako nag-drive ng outside Vancouver. I mean, Burnaby nakapag-drive naman ako, but hindi yung sobrang talaga, like malayo-layo like here sa IKEA, kasi para sa akin malayo na ang IKEA.
Yeah, we're in the IKEA in Richmond, by the way. So next time we're gonna go to the IKEA in Coquitlam because that one you have to take the highway. This one is kind of just insides still slow. I don't think na 100 150 na to si Kat. Have you?
120.
Oh wow.
But that's it.
Sumobra naman masyado yung 120. Right.
Uy, never 150, pero 120
Uy, never naman nag 150 talaga tayo.
Uy, nag-Calgary tayo. Nag 150 ka, not me.
Alright.
Ayan na ba?
So we're just gonna look for parking right now. I'll check in with you guys later. Yeah. Okay. And $3.
We highly recommend
Breakfast at IKEA.
True. Also, another one, if you're eating sa IKEA and then nag-pick na kayo ng baso and everything, kunin nyo na yung una nyong na-pick kasi nahawakan nyo na.
And ang mura ng breakfast dito, $3.79 and then $1.99 for pancakes. There's a roast. And pancakes. All of this and this, $10. And there's no tip. They don't ask for a tip here. Aftermath.
Let's go to wash.
Okay. Mainit yan. Yan. Hanap na kami dito. Ito ang gusto ko. Mga ganyan. Ay, cute. I like this one.
This one?
Yeah. Cute. I don't like it. Cute.
Ang cute ng carpet na yan, guys. It's very pretty. Pero di naman kailangan yan ngayon kasi may carpet na kami. I love it. Yeah. It's also $549. So, medyo mahal talaga siya. May kamahalan siya. East Side Broadway. Dito tayo ngayon sa mga frames. Actually, wala naman kami kailangan dito. Palabas na to. Nakuha na namin yung mga kailangan namin. Which is itong mga sheets and pillowcases. Pero, syempre, tingin-tingin lang muna. Just in case may mga kailangan kami sa bahay. Kasi andito naman na kami. And minsan lang naman kami pumupunta ng IKEA talaga. So, mas mainam na kunin namin yung mga kailangan namin.
I like that, David.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oo nga. Mga plants. Ang tall nito, guys. Oh. Haba. Ang ganda niyan. Maganda kami. May malaking space ka sa bahay. That's really nice. Ganda yan.
Wala kasi tayong space.
Yeah. Ano yan? Real? Ay, lift mo nga. Barbecue. Parang mura siya. No? Ganda din ang kulay.
Yeah. Brand.
Guys, yung sink nila dito, $24 na lang. And this is the sink. Bakit kaya $24 na lang? From $120, $24 na lang siya. While quantities last. So, paunahan, paubusan. Cute naman yung chairs na yan. Pero mukhang hindi siya komportable. Oh, I like this chair. Pero mukhang hindi din siya komportable. Ano to? Pendant lampshade.
Oh, the change thing for the babies.
Changing station for the babies. Oh, nice. Cute. Yeah.
Okay, we're done here. 72 dollars for 8 items, so at least like $9.50 each. Successfully reached Walmart in Richmond. Dami naman parking.
Wala kami nakita sa Costco, guys. Ay, sa Costco, sa Walmart. So, magko-Costco na lang kami. Nag-switch kami. Si Kim na yung nag-drive ngayon because we're in Richmond and takot ako sa mga drivers sa Richmond. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Costco para i-check yung mga kailangan naming hanapin because mas nakaka-save naman kasi talaga kami. Oh shit. Mas nakaka-save naman kasi talaga kami dun sa Costco kasi mura and then mas marami kayong nakukuha, you know. So, we'll see you guys there. We are here sa Costco Richmond. Ding 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 ding. Ah, bakit may pa ganun?
Oh, parang may nanalo ng raffle.
Nasa Costco Richmond na tayo, guys. Sana wala masyadong tao. Pero feeling ko naman pag Richmond na Costco, marami talaga. Maraming nag-shop at nag-groceries.
Maraming rich dito.
Because it's Richmond.
Richmond.
Richmond's man. Okay, hanap muna kami ng parking, guys. Take lang.
So, naman lang kami sa Yanji Changfen to get some snacks before we go home.
Medyo sumasakit na yung ingit sa balat.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. We got
Chinese donut.
With a twist. And dim sum siya. Okay, so we didn't buy most of the things that we were supposed to buy.
Why? What?
Like the body wash.
Oh, because walang available na body wash na
Yeah.
yung gusto namin.
Everywhere we went, there was just nothing. But we're gonna just go home now. It's already 1:17, so gotta go home.
Yeah, bago pa sumobra yung init.
Okay. See you at home. So we're home now. Bought this at Costco. Oat milk. It goes there.
Oh, do you want this one? And ano?
The storage probably.
Okay, here.
And then this one we also bought from Costco. Ribs. We'll just make this for dinner tonight. And then ito yung snack na binili namin from the dim sum place. And this one we also bought from Costco, the salad. And
This one from Costco.
yeah. That's it. So this is what it is. Chinese donut and corn. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Why?
This one. And then it comes with like this soy sauce, sweet sesame soy sauce, and I think this is, I don't know what it is, but it's good.